Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install the StorJ GUI on Windows. This is a remake video from the first version, which somebody did key in the counter wallet address on the testnet, which you didn't get paid. Uh, to clarify this, I'm going to remake this video and just follow step by step to the end. Okay, first of all, it's the same thing. You need to download a StorJ GUI, a NetTime, and then net time I have found another one which is kind of better than the net time here. It's called TimeSync. I will provide the link together later, and then I will create another Counterwallet ID, which is the original one where you get paid, and then we install the software. Okay, first we have to get the GUI software. We just type in storage, and then we click on rent your drive and download this Windows. If you are using Windows 32, just click this one. Okay, but I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I'm gonna choose the other platform. Okay, from here I have the Windows 64-bit platform here. I just downloaded, which is here. Okay, I got the GUI software ready. The next one I'm gonna do is the time sync. You can type the net time here. Okay, click on the first one and download the latest one, 320A. Okay, save it, which is here. Okay, the third one is the time sync. Time sync, you just type time sync, and you couldn't find the first page, you go to the second page, which is this one, Speedsoft. Okay, just download it, this one, and download. Okay, 1.82. Okay, I have already. So the next one, first thing, you gotta create a counter wallet. Okay, create counter wallet. You just go to Google and type counter wallet and click the first one. Okay, on the previous video, the server for this one is down. That's why I use the testnet. So I'm going to do the real one. You have to click this one, counter wallet, and create a new wallet. And then you have a 12 word phrase. Uh, this is the keyword. You have to copy this one, save in your file, and don't lose it. And then you paste it. Okay, from here you only see two currencies. One is Bitcoin and the other one is XCP. Because you don't have a SJCX, which is the storage coin, so don't worry about it. All you need is an address. Click on your address and copy this one. Okay, this address will be your payout from the StorJ GUI farming hard disk. So right now I'm going to install the software. Click install, let it run. Okay, it's already run. Okay, we close it for a while. Okay, while we're installing, we're gonna create a hard disk for the this software, StorJ GUI software. So we call it a node. So we're gonna create a folder. I'm gonna make one folder here. I'm gonna make a 500 GB as a folder. Okay, the software is done. So I'm gonna run it. Okay, so first thing, you're gonna enter your address, payout address, which is from your Counterwallet. Okay, this is your address. Copy and then paste on here. Okay, make sure it's the same because you're gonna get paid from only this address. Okay, once you're already done, and then just browse the folder which I just created. And the size is 500 GB. And don't start anything first. Okay, go to settings. Click all and to your network drive. So in here, you're gonna key in your public IP address, which is I'm gonna go to Google and I'm gonna type what's my IP. Okay, this is my public IP. I'm gonna copy it. Okay, I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, leave it empty first. So the next thing is you're gonna select net time. Okay, you're gonna find a pool. Okay, from here you will see there's a lot of NTP pool here. They are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, and whatever. So make sure you find the nearest to your place. Okay, I'm in Asia, so I'm gonna click Asia. How do you know the nearest place ping? You go to CMD. Okay, and then you click on any of the NTP pools here. Let's say I'm gonna use North America. Sorry, I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna ping it. As you can see, 175 millisecond is very lagging. I'm gonna find nearest one. This is much worse. There's some timeout. Okay. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna click into the Asia. I'm gonna find the one who is very near to me. Okay, there's a lot of in Asian country here. I'm living in Malaysia, so I'm gonna ping this one. I'm not sure what happened. There's something wrong. Okay, I currently having this ping already. So Singapore I have is very near to me, so this is working. While the rest server down. So don't worry about it. Just find the nearest for to your location. So I'm gonna select Singapore. I'm gonna select my neighbors is Indonesia. Uh, okay, Indonesia is quite okay, 30 over millisecond. So I'm gonna set 2 or 3 nearest to me as a backup. So from my net time, okay, let me stop it first. Okay, I'll go to settings. So as you can see, Singapore is on the list. Singapore, okay. So once I click Singapore, I have 4 servers here. Just copy and paste. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna paste this one. I'm gonna take the second Singapore, copy and paste here. And the third one, I'm gonna use Malaysia, I think. Malaysia is 0 dot, this one. Although it's down, but I still use it as a backup. And then I'm using a Thailand and I'm using Indonesia. So I'm gonna have 5 countries. Okay, 5 countries. If any one of them down, they will go to the second and third and fourth, and you will rotate. So just for backup. And interval for update here is 15 minutes. Okay, if you set 15 second, it won't work. It will require you a 15-minute minimum. And from here, by default, it should be 24 hours. So you're gonna change it to 24 years. So every day you don't have to synchronize your time. Let it run. Okay, once it's done already, you just start. I'm gonna update it now. Okay, so 23 plus and 30 second, 30 millisecond. So it's a very good. But because I like to have every minute to update my sync, so I'm gonna choose another software which is called time sync. So I'm gonna close this one. Okay, I'm gonna use time sync. Okay, from time sync, you go to settings and key in the 5 country like just now the one from your NTP pool server. Choose the 5 country nearest to you as a backup and key in everything ready, and you can click synchronize every half a minute or 1 minute. So I'm going to use every minute and I click save. Okay, and you won't see the logo in here, so it's already time sync, so you don't have to worry. And then we close this one. Okay, the next one is your input, the address your public already input. You're gonna go for the router setting. Okay, router setting is you have to add port on this one. First, how to go to your router? Go to CMD and you click IP config. Okay, this is my IP address, my PC IP address 192.168.88.99, and my router address is 192.168.88 and 1. So by default, it should be 192.168.0.1. Okay, by default, the password should be admin. Okay, once you inside your router, you go to port forwarding and you're gonna click add new. Okay, storage required 4000 TCP port open, 4000, 4001, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna key in 4000 to 4004. IP address is your PC IP address. And this one is the TCP, and you click save. Okay, since I already have open, okay, 4000 to 4100. So I already add, and then the next thing is you're gonna check your network. Is it port open? Okay, first thing you go to this website, get your signal. This is your public IP address. The port should be 4000. Okay, the port is closed. This is normal. Okay, so you're gonna add 4000 port in here and click no. Okay, once you click no, how you gonna save it? You just click on reload. Okay, once it's reloaded, okay, you check start this one. Okay, wait it, let it run. Okay, it's running. I have peers, and now I'm gonna check. Okay, so the port is open. So my setting is correct right now, and I should be ready for getting any shards and contracts on my GUI. Okay, just wait it. My peers is getting up, and just leave it. So your balance on SJCX, it should be 0 as usual. Okay, because you don't have any SJCX currency right now in here, and this is your payout address. So by currently now is January, I'm doing this video. So on February mid or probably the last week of February, I will be received my payment on SJCX. Okay, once I have the number of SJCX here, this will pop up. Okay, this will pop up. So you don't have to worry anything. On Counterwallet, the most important thing is your payout address. Okay, use this one. Don't use the testnet. Just follow this video and you will be able to get paid while you farm. Okay, for after 1 month of usage, I think this time sync is much better than the net time. So I recommended you use time sync. You see, if I click again, so every minute is successful synchronize. Okay, that's it. If you want to add another node, okay, let's say I'm going to add second node. First, I'm going to create another folder. Okay, this is my second folder, or we call it nodes. I'm going to add another drive here. Okay, payout address, your SJCX on your Counterwallet. Paste it, browse to your location. Okay, and then amount of size. Okay, once you click here, don't start first. Remember, go to settings, go to network drive, key in your public IP address. Okay, and port, you cannot use the same port again. 4000 already been used, so you're gonna use 4001. and NAT set to no. Okay, if you want to use the third node, you go to 4002, 4003, and 4004. You cannot use the same node, TCP port because it won't work. Okay, close it and reload your storage software. Okay, by right 4000 and 4000, sorry, 4001 should be closed. So I'm going to start. I'm going to start both. Let it run. Okay, check on port 4000. Okay, good. 4001. Still preparing, so you're not able to check now. Let it run first. Okay, it's running. Check. Okay, so it's open. So you're running. So you see, my peers go up, and I'll be getting my contract soon, and you fill out my hard drive. Okay, so I see I have already some shards here. This one still zero. So you can add up to a maximum of 4, because if you're using a very good internet line, you can might go up to 5 nodes. That's the max. So the calculation is let's say on my line here, I just give you an example why you never go more than 3. So I'm going to check my internet speed first. Okay, as you can see, I have 100 megabits upload and download. Okay, I do have quite a decent internet speed, 100. But if you're running, let's say 5 nodes, okay, 5 times 3 mirrors, so you have Mbps internet line. Only 6 Mbps. So if you have more nodes, your each node will be lesser than 5 MB or 4 MB. So if your opponent have a 20 MB upload and download speed, he will get your contract first. So you don't have the contract. So it's recommended you keep maximize your node only up to 3 or 4, unless you have a 1000 Mbps. So you might can set up to 10 nodes. So if you don't have, just maintain it up to 3 nodes or 2 nodes. Maximize your upload and download speed of your nodes. Otherwise, you will lose to your opponent with a very high speed internet. So I guess this is the tutorial you have to follow, and you can make money with it. Happy farming, guys. Any question, you can just go to the comment link, which I will provide down there on my video, and then you ask question to our admins and moderator. And thank you, the Huenland and Meiji and Littleskunk, for this video to be successfully uploaded. Bye bye, guys.